how much gram of DNA we really have. Hello friends, in this particular video lecture we shall be discussing about the amount of DNA in all nucleated cells in the human body. So as we all know about this basic fact that this particular blueprint of life is present from the brain cell to the last cell of your body. And we all know this one, that each and every living human being and all other organism contain this DNA molecule. Depending on the age, the number of cell will vary. So we consider 65 years, a person, the normal adult human being with a 65 kg of the body and contain 3 billions of base pair in a cell, and that is the genome content. So we have to multiply this amount with 2 so that we can make it the diploid. So next we can calculate the total amount of the DNA in terms of gram. So 3 billions base pair in the cell genome, that is 3 into 10 to the power 9, that is the meaning of the billions. So it will be coming as, and I am using the star symbol, this star symbol for the multiplication. So if we go to the diploid cells, it will be 2 into 3 into 10 to the power 9. And we all know this fact that average molecular weight of the DNA in base pair is 660. So that is in the Dalton unit. So we have to just multiply it with it. So whatever the product that we are getting, that is 2 into 3 into 10 to the power 9, 660 Dalton. And we also have this idea that 1 Dalton is nothing but 1 AMU or atomic mass unit. So altogether we shall be getting 3960 into 10 to the power 9 Dalton. And again we have to multiply with 1 AMU to have the value in grams. So finally we shall be having this kind of things, 3.96 into 10 to the power 12 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24, this is the value of AMU, and this 3.96 is coming after the simplification, and we are making this 10 to the power 9 to the 10 to the power 12. So this is the calculation you can simply do. Just we have to understand the process that we are following. Now 3 billion base pair in the cell's genome is present. Now total number of cell in the human body as per resources, that is 100 trillions. But we shall be discussing about only the cell that contain the DNA. So we shall focus on the nucleated cell, that is 37 trillions. Now the number of cell, that is 37 trillions, and we must forget about the 25 trillions of RBC, because RBC is non-nucleated, no nucleus in the RBC and no mitochondrion also. So finally we shall be having the product like this, 3.96 into 10 to the power 12 after simplification into 1 AMU, that is 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So 6.6 picogram. Pico is a unit, that is a 10 to the power minus 12 gram. So now 37 trillions of the cell will be there. So 37 into 10 to the power 13 into 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 12. So finally we shall be having 244 gram, approximately 244 grams of DNA present in the total human being. It is not per each cell. Each cell we are having 6.6 per cell. So total, if we consider a complete adult human being with 37 trillions of the cells, so the total amount of the DNA, that is 244 gram. That is the answer. I think it will help you to understand the total concept of it. Thank you for watching.